Dear viewers, what's up? Let's open the software I have already created, and after start working with this image panel, I will show you another button, that is snipping tool button. By clicking this button, the entries of our student info, that means the student info panel will be captured. So the entries will be captured also. Let's click this button and you see a message is shown, image is captured. So this student info panel image is captured. So where it is captured? It is captured in our software folder, and this is the panel image. It is a png image file, and you see for student id 134022 the panel is captured. And today I will show you how to make this snipping tool button functional. So go to NetBeans and open your project, and you see this is a menu. Right click it and go to add from palette and then menu item, and I am rename it to snip. And for keyboard shortcut, double click it, and I think Ctrl+S is a better option. Okay, and then for icon, go to properties, and here is our icon option. Import to project. I want to import icon from this folder actually, and my icon is here, snip. Next, and I want to import in this image folder, and finish. Okay, and close. And before go to the events action perform of this snipping tool menu item, I will create two methods. One method for get screenshot of the selected panel, and another method for saving image. And then I will call these two methods within the action perform of this menu item. So I am going to create two methods. So go to source, and let's create two methods for screenshot and another method for save the image. So here is our method declaration section, and I will create a method for get the screenshot. Get screenshot of selected components, and the method will be like private static buffered image. Sorry, this is the return type of our method, and the method name could be like get screen shot, and we need to pass arguments like component type, and I am writing it to com. Then an error message is shown. Let's click it. Create class component in package. What's wrong with you? Compo any entry. Again click it. Add import for Java IoT. We need to add import. Click it, and you see the error message is gone. But here is another error message. That means warning. This is for not specifying the return. That is, we need to specify our return type of this method. So when I will specify the return type, the warning will be gone. So don't worry about this right now. And this is our method get screenshot, and it is buffered image type method. And then we need to write buffered image, and here is our image is equal new buffered image. And what will be the buffered image? Component dot get with get with, and then that's it is a problem. Again component dot get height, and buffered image type will be comma buffered image dot type will be integer RGB. So for get the screenshot of selected components, we need to create an image and type of buffered image, and the buffered image will be the actual size of the our panel image, that is the width and height will be the same of our component, and the buffered image type will be RGB type, that means it is a colored image, and for each value of our color we will set integer, that means 0 to 255. And now we need to paint it. So component dot paint, and what will we paint? We will paint the image dot get graphics, and we will return the image. So this is the method for get screenshot, that means to get the image. And now we need to create another method. We need a method for saving the image. So let's create the method. Save the image of selected component, and our message will be like private static void, and our method name is like save screenshot, and it will take component what's wrong with the like com, and another parameter like string. I am giving it to file name, and it will throw, it need a throw statement, it will throws exception. private static void save screenshot component user component copy string file name throws THROWS exception. So this is our method, and we need to write buffered image, and here is our image equal get screenshot component, and you see, for saving our image we will get the image of our screenshot, and for getting it we need to call the method get screenshot. And you see, here is our method get screenshot. By calling this method we will get the screenshot of our message and we will save it. For saving the image we need to write image io dot write image, and then the format will be png, and we need to specify a file name, and I am creating a new file, and file name will be the name of our image. So you see, the file name isn't initialized yet because we need to call this method, and this method will be called inside of the action performed of this menu item. In the next video I will show you how can you call this method and save the screenshot of our image panel. So until then, keep watching and please don't forget